Hello students, today we are going to see the fifth exercise in lesson number 7. Combiner les deux phrases avec donc. Combine or join the two sentences with the relative pronoun donc. That is DONT. Translation is those of which or whom, about which or about whom. Okay, first one, before we are doing the exercise, we see the example. Voici le comédien, je vous son demi film. Here is the comedian, I saw his latest film. SON, what do you remember for seeing this SON? That is adjective possessive. I saw his latest film. Here is the convenience. So two separate sentences we are having. One is a comedian and we have seen in the film. I saw this in the latest film. Two separate sentences make into a one single sentences using a relative pronoun DONT. See the example. Voici le comédien. First part you have to write as it is. Then you have to use the relative pronoun down. And then see here, so. So is changed here. So is changed for le. Okay. So possessive adjective so is changed for definite articles. So definite articles, what are they? Masculine for le, feminine la, it is plural le. Okay. Masculine singular le. If the noun is feminine singular la. If the noun is masculine or feminine is plural it's les. And if it is a masculine or feminine but it is a start with vowel l apostrophe. Okay, this fourth thing is there. It is called a definite articles. This we learnt in 11th standard. Just recaps that. Okay. Then here the given two sentence we have to combine and make it as a single sentence, and in that sentence we have to check that possessive adjectives we have to replace by the definite articles. Why we are choosing le? Because this denia film is the masculine singular, so we are choosing le. Okay, that is very important. You have to check here. That's all. It's very easy exercise combined to the other exercise in this lesson. Okay. So English translation is, here is the comedian whose latest film I saw. First one. Voilà un musicien. Here is the musicians. J'aime beaucoup sa musique. I like lot his music. So first part you can write as it is. Then you have to join the, and j'aime beaucoup, that is sa. Possessive adjective sa is his music. Let's change it for la. It is definite articles la, because a music is a feminine singular. Your sentence will be, voilà un musicien dont j'aime beaucoup la musique. Okay, the translation is, here is a musician whose music I like lot. Second one, voilà une viande. Here is the old lady. J'écoute ses concerts. I often listen to her. Here is the old lady. I often listen to her. Here S, LCS, you have to change it. It's a plural form. So definite articles les. Answer will be voici. First part you can write dans j'écoute les concerts. It is very easy. Replace of the possessive adjectives is definite article les. First part as it is, and you have to add dans, and deku other word, and then change this possessive adjectives in a definite articles. Finally you will get wala yuadhyam da ekut la konsa. Here is the old lady. I was listened to her. Voici un écrivain. Here is the writer. Je lui sais nouvelle. I read his stories. Voilà un écrivain write as it is. Da je lui les that S to change it as a les. Da is the joining word. Okay. So it is very very easy only. That possessive adjective ses as to change it as les definite articles. As a plural, no need to check masculine or feminine. When it is a singular, you have to check whether it is a masculine or feminine. Okay. Fourth one. Voilà une voiture, j'aime ses couleurs. Here is the car. I like its color. Voilà une voiture. The first part you can write as it is. Then dans, then jamais, la, sa, sa is changed for la couleur. And the definite articles le is changed, la. Here is the car whose color I like it. Okay, fifth one. Voilà un garçon intelligent. Here is the intelligent boy. Je voudrais faire ses connaissances. I would like to get to do this knowing. First part you can write as it is. Then dans. Je voudrais faire. Sa is changed for la. Possessive adjective sa is changed for la. La. You need to use as here definite articles. It's a very very easy exercise. So do it, revise it today itself. Thank you.